everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Daniela and today I will be showing you guys my nighttime skincare routine. The products in which I am using in this video are the Kiehl's Calendula Deep Cleansing Face Foaming Wash, Calendula Herbal-Extract Toner, alcohol free from Kiehl's. Also be using the Murad Youthful Renewal Retinol Trial Kit. This trial kit brings an eye serum, a facial serum, and a nighttime moisturizer. Alright, so let's begin. The first thing I do in my nighttime skin routine is I first damp my face with warm water. Then I apply 2 pumps of the cleanser onto my hand. I rub it into my face until it becomes a foam form. After it becomes a foam form, I rinse it off with warm water. After, I pat it dry with a facial towel. Next, I go on with the toner and I apply it with some cotton pads. Next, I go on with the trial kit. In this trial kit, I first used the eye serum. I applied it under my under eyes as well as my eyelids. Since this is a 360 eye serum, you can apply it all over the eye area. Next, I go on with the facial serum. With this facial serum, I both apply on my face and neck. Lastly, I end with the nighttime moisturizer, and I also apply it on neck and face. These products have helped me into achieving glowier and cleaner skin. Both toner and cleanser has helped me into minimizing any breakouts that's shown up onto my skin. And the trial kits has helped me into feeling more firmer skin and really hydrated. The nighttime cream does not leave my skin sticky at all, which I love because some moisturizers, when you apply them on your skin, they're like really sticky. Even serums, they tend to feel like gooey on your face, but this leaves it really nice and smooth and it really absorbs into my skin really quickly. So thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Bye now.